What is egalitarianism? Egalitarianism is a political ideology centered on the belief in human equality. As a basic concept, equality by itself refers only to a relation, such as less than or greater than, rather than a quality or essence. To judge two things equal, we must also specify the relevant qualities they have in common. Therefore, egalitarianism is the belief that all humans share an essence or quality that makes them equal. Although all egalitarians believe in equality, they often differ in their understanding of the qualities all humans share. Indeed, egalitarianism, as a political doctrine, sees equality of condition, outcome, reward, and privilege as a desirable goal of social organization. The bases for such beliefs have been religious and secular, and have ranged from crude slogans, such as, "We all have the same stomachs," and only one of those, to more sophisticated Marxian statements about societies moving from the organizing principle of "from each according to his abilities to each according to his work" to "from each according to his abilities to each according to his needs." Every form of egalitarianism is cosmopolitan and inclusive. Those who see only the members of their own group as equal are not egalitarian. Because egalitarianism is always based on a theory of universal human commonality, and because such universal human qualities are difficult to define, their essence is often unspecified by egalitarian thinkers. Nonetheless, anyone who believes all humans are equal must also believe all humans have some kind of essence or quality in common, because without commonality there can be no equality. All theories of universal human commonality fall into one of two categories. Either the essentially human qualities come from the laws of nature, or those qualities are transcendent or spiritual. Theories of a universal human nature belong to the first category, whereas the belief in a transcendent spark of essential human dignity belongs to the second. In European and North American thought, the egalitarianism of nature is descended from ancient Greek ideas about the invariable, underlying patterns that govern all things. These patterns are understood as scientific laws, and human nature, in this view, is universal and relatively invariable. Transcendent or supernatural ideas of human equality developed from the traditions of monotheism, according to which a supernatural creator gave to all humans a spark of the divine essence. According to this view, all humans share the power of self-creativity, the ability to define their own nature. Hence, these two kinds of egalitarianism are at odds with each other on the question of human malleability. In the egalitarianism of human nature, the natural qualities shared by everyone vary only within a limited range, whereas in the egalitarianism of self-creativity, all humans share the power to define their own essence. Therefore, the egalitarianism of nature tends to be more conservative, and the egalitarianism of self-creativity is usually more liberal or progressive.